This video shows you how to access tracking sheets from the mobile application. We've combined all tracking sheets, including name to face and the Where Is feature, on one page to make it easier to manage on a mobile device. Click on the Tracking button at bottom right. Select the tracking sheet from the bar at top. Please note that you can select tracking sheets that you've defined for your center in addition to name to face and Where Is. Select each child for the desired tracking. When you've captured your tracking, click Save at bottom. You can access the Where Is feature from this same page. Where Is shows you the location of every child in the center, including check-in time and current room location. Click the Home button at upper left to exit the page.